Happy New Year, everyone. Good day. Today, I'm going to suggest some legal resolutions for 2021. We all think about resolutions. Sometimes we keep them, sometimes we don't. I heard someone on the radio the other day who said that they made a resolution in the beginning of 2020 to make sure they drank 12 glasses of water a day. And their 2021 resolution is to drink at least 1 glass of water a day because they didn't keep their 2020 resolution. So here are some things to think about that are legal resolutions that you may want to consider for this year. So number 1 on my list is always make a will. So many people don't have wills. If you don't have a will, there is a state statute, at least in New York, and I'm sure other states, that says what happens to your assets, who they get distributed to among your family. But there are repercussions if you don't have a will and you have a family. Some assets may go to your children when you want them to go to your spouse and then to your children later on, things like that. So make a will is number 1. Number 2, have a power of attorney. Give someone the ability to sign things for you, legal and financial documents, in the event you're unable to. Accidents and illnesses are always things that happen unexpectedly, and if you have someone that can sign for you, it will make your life easier in those times when life is most difficult. Have an agent for healthcare decisions for the same reasons as the power of attorney. Things come up unexpectedly, and if you are sedated or you are in a coma for some reason because of an accident or an illness, you need someone to be able to make healthcare decisions for you, get medical records, get second opinions, and so on. It's a simple document. You can create it yourself, or you can come speak to me. I have some things that I like to add in, but that's top on the list also. Get your house in order. What do I mean by that? If you plan on selling your house this year or this spring, housing prices are up. You should make sure that you have all the permits that you need from a municipal perspective. Speak with a realtor about things you can do to pretty your house up, to put it on the market. And if you have questions about legal documents you should have in advance, give me a call. Review or create a shareholder or operating agreement for your business. So many businesses are formed and people don't have shareholder and operating agreements, and then they have disagreements later on with their business partners. And if they had the agreement, it would help sort those things out. Make sure you're properly insured for your home, for your car. And it's very important to have uninsured and underinsured coverage that's adequate. Most people don't even know what that is. If you give me a call, I can go over that with you. Make sure you have long-term care coverage. This is something that is part of an estate planning discussion. Speak with your investment advisor. Make sure that your assets are titled properly and that you may need trusts to put your assets in to protect them. Number 9 is review your business insurance coverages to make sure that your business is properly protected from various types of claims and things that could come up. And last but not least, call me. I'm happy to discuss any of these issues with you and help you formulate a plan for your 2021 legal resolutions. My name is Jim Leonick, and I'd be happy to help you. Please call.